Good morning, children. Welcome to all this fine morning. Children, today in this class, we'll discuss about chapter number 5, the natural vegetation and wildlife. Chapter number 5, the natural vegetation and wildlife. What is nature? What are the resources? What are the different types of resources? How these resources are linked with the nature and wildlife. About flora and fauna. We will discuss about flora and fauna, how these flora and fauna depend upon these resources. All these points we will discuss in the class. Yes, look here.
In this chapter, we are going to learn about factors responsible for biodiversity, vegetation of India, and wildlife in India. Now students, let us explore natural vegetation and wildlife in India. India is blessed with diverse plants, birds, and animals. If we closely look at this map, we can find that India is situated largely in the tropical zone. This is the reason why India is a home to diverse temperatures and receives high rainfall. These conditions make India highly suitable for the growth of forests. India is one of the 12 mega biodiversity countries in the world. In India, we find 47,000 plant species, based on which India is placed third in the world and fourth in Asia in plant diversity. There are about 15,000 flowering plants, which account for 6% of total flowering plants in the world. Apart from it, India has variety of non-flowering plants like algae, ferns, etc. India also possesses 89,000 species of animals as well as rich variety of fish in fresh and marine waters. Specifically, plant life that is present in a particular region is known as flora, and the corresponding word for the animal life is fauna. Can you tell what does natural vegetation refer to? Does it refer to the plants you have planted in your garden? Well, the answer is no. Natural vegetation refers to plants or trees that are grown naturally without human help and have been left undisturbed by humans for a long time. This is also known as virgin vegetation. All types of crops we grow like wheat crop, maize crop, rice crop, and orchards form a part of vegetation, but they do not grow naturally. The virgin vegetation can also be classified into two types. Virgin vegetation, which are purely Indian, are known as endemic or indigenous vegetation, such as betel, neem, tamarind, etc. Whereas those which have come from outside are known as exotic vegetation, like eucalyptus, mandarin, chickpea, etc. Natural vegetation is very important since it provides shelter to many animals and birds, provides timber, provides medicinal plants, absorbs carbon dioxide and releases oxygen, checks blood, and prevents soil erosion. The relief features which affect biodiversity are land and soil. The climatic features which affect biodiversity are temperature, photoperiod, and precipitation. Let us first discuss the relief features, that is, land and soil. Land. Different types of vegetations are found in different land surfaces. Take a look at the picture given below. Vegetation found in deserts. Vegetation found in mountains. Vegetation found in wetlands. Vegetation found in plateaus. As the height of a place from the mean sea level increases, the vegetation changes considerably. The picture given below will be helpful in understanding the change in vegetation with the change in height. Soil. Sandy soil supports cactus and thorny bushes. Wet, marshy and deltaic soils support deltaic vegetation. Hill slopes with some depth have conical trees. Now, let's discuss the three climatic factors, that is, temperature, photoperiod, and precipitation, which affect the growth of vegetation. Temperature. Temperature determines the character and extent of vegetation along with humidity, precipitation, and soil. As the altitude increases, the temperature decreases. The fall in temperature affects the type of vegetation. Very high and very low temperatures cause ill effects. Tropical vegetation converts to subtropical and alpine on slopes of the Himalayas and hills of the peninsula above 915 meters. Have a look at this table, which shows the temperature characteristics of different vegetation zones. The duration of sunlight received by any place is known as its photoperiod. Photoperiod depends on latitude, altitude, season, and duration of sunlight. Trees grow faster in any place if it receives long duration of sunlight. Precipitation. Rainy season in India extends from June to September. It is brought by the advancing southwest and retreating northeast monsoons. Heavy rainfall areas have dense vegetation. The southern slopes of the Himalayas are covered with thick vegetation in comparison to the northern slopes. This is because the southern slopes receive more precipitation as compared to the northern slopes. Western slopes of the Western Ghats are covered with thick forests as compared to the eastern slopes because of the difference in the received precipitation. This is how different types of forests are classified according to the increasing precipitation and decreasing temperature. Forests play a vital role in our life. They help us in many ways, like they modify local climate, control soil erosion, regulate stream flow, control wind and temperature, cause rainfall, provide humus to soil, shelter wildlife, support a variety of industries, provide livelihood to many communities, add scenic beauty for recreation. One Mahotsav was started in India in 1950 to create awareness about the importance of trees and afforestation among the people. It is a week-long festival of tree planting, organized in the first week of July every year. The main objectives of the One Mahotsav are to create awareness and enthusiasm among the people to plant trees, to help conserve soil and increase soil fertility, add to the potential food resources of our country, and to provide shade and add beauty to the landscape. Let's now learn about the vegetation cover in India. National Forest Policy aims at maintaining 33% of the geographical area under forest cover. According to India's State of Forest Report 2011, the forest cover in India is 21.05%. Take a look at this graph, which shows the forest cover in some of the states of India. Changes in natural vegetation. India's natural vegetation has undergone many changes. The main reasons for these changes are growing demand for cultivated land, development of industries and mining, urbanization, overgrazing of pastures. Test yourself. What is the duration of sunlight any place receives, known as? The options are A. Precipitation, B. Temperature, C. Altitude, D. Photoperiod. Hint: derived from the Latin word for light. The answer is D. Photoperiod. Explanation: duration of sunlight a place receives is known as photoperiod. Photoperiod depends on latitude, altitude, season, duration of day. Trees grow faster with long duration of sunlight. Let's have a look at the natural vegetation map of India, which shows the location